Where's Spotty Pig with the ice cream?
On the other train.
What other train?
Spotty Pig's. He's having a train party too. And he's got the sandwiches. And the juice.
What are you waiting for then? We've got to find them.
Yeah! All aboard! Chase them!
We have to find the Spotty Pig train. They've got half of all the snacks. The party's only half the fun if we can't get everybody back.
There they are! After them! Wrong way, Wibbly! I've got the cup. Here, Pig Twin. Let's try and catch up with them. Faster, Wibbly! Hey! Look! We've stuck together. A really big train.
With room for all of us.
And we can all share the picnic. Hooray! So we are one big picnic train. All aboard!